Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, May 24th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the monthly time frame, I am still looking at this over here as possibly being a wave 5. There's definitely no evidence that it's over yet. At some point it possibly is going to end at wave 5 though and make a very, very large turn to the downside. No evidence of this happening yet, and it's always possible that it does just keep on trending up. So keeping that in mind, taking it down to the weekly time frame. Like I've been saying for a while, I mean, this looks to me like an uptrend. It looks like a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, looks like a wave 4, kind of looks like we're already in that wave 5 of wave 5. This could go up, it could make a new high, and it potentially could just keep on trending up. So taking it down to the daily time frame. Now, on the daily time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement measuring this last push down. I've been saying for a while, but I mean, this is possibly a wave A, this is possibly a wave B. We could get a 61% or a 78% fib bounce, make a big engulfing move down. If you see this picture right here, then you definitely want to get out of any longs and you definitely want to go short because it potentially could go down for a wave C or maybe even turn into a big 1, 2, 3. But there is no evidence of that happening yet, and it could easily make a push down, not break structure, make a push down, not break structure, and just keep on making higher highs, higher lows, which I think is pretty likely, especially because I think it looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, and wave 5 of wave 5. So keeping all that in mind, taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, we are at a Fibonacci level right now. Now if this goes down with a lot of momentum, breaks structure on the 4 hour time frame, then that's going to pretty much prove to me that this is an A, this is a B, and this is a C, and this is an A, B, C, a B. This down here would be a wave A, and this right here would be going down for a pretty big downtrend for a wave C. Definitely would make for a good sorting opportunity if this does happen. I would definitely have to see this picture right here in order to start going short, because I also think that it may be more likely that it goes down, makes a higher low, goes down, makes a higher low, and just keeps on trending up, which is why you have to wait for the break of structure for confirmation that it really is turning. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, to me, it looks like impulsive down. It looks like a lower high. I think it could possibly be just another A, B, and C cuts. And if this goes down, even if it does go down to this structure, I mean, it would have to break that structure very strong and hold below it for me to even think about going short. Otherwise, I would definitely be looking for longs at the end of three-way pullbacks for the continuation of the uptrend. I think even trying to short the wave C is a little bit dangerous because it doesn't even really have to go down like this. It could just go down a little bit and just keep on trending up. Definitely looking up for longs unless the 4 hour time frame breaks structure to the downside, proving that this really is a wave B. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here and to the left. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to my daily live analysis and trading sessions, where I cover every single pair on this list right here from top to bottom every single day for my members. Also gives you access to all my swing/day trade setups that I share with my members at the time of entry. You get all this by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.